Hi everyone, today I tried a recipe I found on TikTok and added my own twist. Let me show you how it turned out. First I peeled potatoes and then grated them. Then I chopped some parsley. After that, in a bowl I put 3 eggs like this. Then I added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and then 1 teaspoon of chili powder because I like spicy. Finally, I added parsley and I mixed it all up. And then I added some onions into the bowl of potatoes. Then I added mixture of eggs into the bowl. At the same time, I added 1 tablespoon of flour. After that, I mixed it up all again like this. I heated some sunflower oil in a pan and then spreaded half of the potato mix in the pan. Then I covered the top with mozzarella like this. On top of mozzarella, then I layered some hams. Now I am spreading the rest of the potato mix on top. After all, I let it to cook on medium heat with a lid on about 10 minutes. I didn't had a lid, so I put a plate on it. After 10 minutes, you have to flip it to the other side to be cooked like this. Then I had to wait another 20 minutes to cook the other side. Finally, I am finished with my cooking and here is the final look. You can see both sides are cooked well. I cut it into 4 pieces and gave it a try. Trust me guys, it was so good. I'm glad I tried it. Give it a shot and let me know how yours turns out. Like and subscribe me for more.